Hey everybody, I just got in my review copy of 25th Anniversary Edition of Tom Hanks in the comedy classic Big. Just wanted to give you a look at the pretty neat slipcover. Okay, we're not going to play the whole thing right now, but you get an idea. It's pretty cool, just like when you open up one of those singing greeting cards. And here's the Blu-ray disc. This is the DVD disc, and you also get 3 little cards like you got from the Zoltar machine. Okay, and here's the back of the packaging. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at it later this afternoon, and I'll try to have my Blu-ray up no later than Sunday this weekend. Alright, thanks for watching.